back, everyone. I hope everyone had an amazing week. Today we're at Boxvale walking track, which is in Mossvale, and this is where we're going to start today's journey. This here, guys, massive no-no. Take your rubbish with you. Alright, so we're at the car park now. I should also mention that we're at Mittagong, not Mossvale, so you're about 10 minutes out of Mossvale. And we're going to take this green track, so the tramway track, Boxvale track, because I think that's where the tunnel is, so we want to go check that out. Alright, let's do it. So this is the track we're going to take and the post we're going to follow. One awesome thing about this track also is you can bring your dogs along with you, as long as they're leashed. One thing I do want to mention, guys, is thank you for everybody that's subscribed to the channel so far. This has really helped me out and it means a lot to me. Thank you. The start of this track also seems quite slippery, so it's got to be real careful. If you do bring your dog, guys, make sure you're picking up the poo. Just be considerate of other people on the track. Alright, back into it. One thing I've noticed so far is I can hear a lot of water, so just at that bridge there's a little waterfall, and I can also hear one on the right hand side, so if you can get into it somehow, we're definitely going to be checking it out. Slippery. Waterfalls gotten a 50 cents. Awesome. Sorry, what I was saying was yeah, the waterfall I can hear this way, and there's a bit of a track here, so we're gonna go down it now. See what it's like. Oh wow. Oh, this is awesome. Oh wow. So just keep in mind with this one, these are the green posts you need to follow. All right, this is the problem. So 1, 2, or 3, we're gonna go straight. 2 it is. This part of the track you can see there's a lot of big rocks, small rocks, sharp rocks. I just want to be really careful. Alright, it's starting to get really wet now, wet and slippery. Even though I don't really mind getting dirty and wet, I don't want to. Alright, zigzag through there. Actually, people have gone this way. No. The track down there is just too wet. It's hard to get through because if our feet are starting to sink in. So you can see there. So what I've done is I've come up here because looks like other people have come that way. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel also, and you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel. I was reading about it before. It said that this might be a 4-hour return hike. There's many tracks here, so I'm not 100% sure. So we'll just have to give it a go and see how long it actually does take. It's definitely the right way because There's a green post. Here's the other one. This is pretty cool. All the bark's falling off this tree. So when you get to this point, if you want to go check out the 40-foot falls, you'd go right and you go down there. But we want to go check out that tunnel, so we're going to follow the Boxvale way. So far this walk's been quite easy, not too difficult. How awesome's this? You go through a little water bit or go over the log. I'm gonna go over the log. The track we've taken actually is quite easy, and along the way we've seen numerous people, different ages, even kids, and a couple of furry friends. So yeah, I think we're about an hour and a half in now. The tunnels are definitely down this way. I was just speaking to a gentleman before. This is so peaceful. All I can hear is birds and nothing else. Oh wow, the size of this tree. Oh wow. Sunlight. Finally get a bit of warmth. I think if you had meat in that that bit just before, wouldn't go off. Makes you wonder actually how cold it gets here in night time. It'd be freezing. It's been about an hour and a bit now, I think. Yeah, or a bit longer. Oh, here it is. Made it. Wow. That is amazing. Okay, so here's a little bit of information. The 1890 photograph shows a saddle tank locomotive emerging from the 100-metre long tunnel towards the end of Boxvale tramway. The locomotive was manufactured at Leeds, UK in 1862. Wow. It was imported to Australia at the instigation of John Whiddon, who is recognised as the father of New South Wales Railways. Yeah, that's amazing. There he is, the man himself. So that was the tunnel, guys. That was pretty amazing and yeah, pretty epic. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a day now. If you like this video, please give it a like. Till next time, and I hope everyone has an amazing week.